What's up, guys? Dustin here. Kim's on the chainsaw. We're doing a little work out here at the property. House is getting worked on in the background there. Tiles going in, front steps getting done up so they can get ready to pour the concrete for the front steps. A little windy, a little noisy with the chainsaw, so apologize for that in advance. Also, I forgot the good camera, so we're just using the phone. All these trees have been dead for a long time, except for like that one there. The rest of these are dead standing. These little ones have come back, so we'll leave those. But these big old elm trees, I believe they are, got that Dutch elm disease and they died off. So we need to cut them all up. They're pretty dry, so we shouldn't have much drying to do. Kim's doing a pretty good job. I taught her how to use the chainsaw about 20 minutes ago, so it's a good start. Good chunk. That's probably a couple weeks worth of heating wood there. All right, guys, next day. We had to quit and handle some stuff yesterday, but I'm back to get a little bit more stuff done today. Got Bob out here at the property now. Got a few more things. I'm just trying to get some stuff here before the weather sets in. Today the weather's pretty nice for November, but we got snow coming in like 2 days, so well, it's gonna get cold and snowy again. We've already had, I think, 3 or 4 storms this year. What do you think?
I
think it's gonna snow a lot all winter. I'm about to start that thing.
I'm following the directions.
Did you prime it?
I did 6 times as instructed.
There we go. Now half choke. There you go. I'm gonna let that warm up a hair. Make our way over to get some more trees kind of quartered up here. Got a lot of work to do on this property, as you guys probably know. We got, this whole empty area back here. This is where the old house used to stand. Somebody tore it down years ago. It's dilapidated from the early 1900s. It would have been kind of cool to have it here and use some of the resources and stone and wood that it was made out of. Got a bunch of brush on the property that have grown up through barbed wire and fencing. So we scooped it all in here. We're going to burn it all out so we can get rid of the wood. And then we're going to pull the metal back out. It's okay, it's not a perfect property. We know that it's going to require some work, but it's going to work good for us. All right, we're going to get another one. This one's leaning on the road quite a bit. We're going to try to keep it from hitting the road because that makes a big mess that we got to clean up. So Kim's going to yank it over this way a little bit while I try to cut out a notch on this side so maybe we can get it to fall right in this ditch in front of the road. It does have a little bit of a lean this way, but there's a lot of weight hanging off that way. So hopefully we can get it to go over here. What do you think?
I'm ready to go home.
Yeah?
Yeah, tired.
What did we get, three trees?
3 trees.
Yeah, there's a little bit of a void there, but we'll replace them with trees that aren't dead. Still got our one good one there. We trimmed it up a little bit, cut off the dead branches, so it's gonna hopefully come back and be a little bit more healthy. The rest of these are completely dead. They've been dead for years, so that's what we're cutting down out there. Got a couple good piles. I think we'll probably be pretty close to set for the winter. We just need to kind of cut it down a little bit smaller for a little wood stove and maybe run a wood splitter and split it up. Yeah, we got a little dirty today, but it's the last decent day. I think it's probably 50 now. It's warmed up a little bit.
Nice.
Yeah, it's nice. We're good. We're gonna put some stuff away, grab some lunch, and probably come back and work on some other stuff. But cutting down trees, pain in the ass, huh?
Yep.
Yeah. What'd you learn? Chainsaw master of 2 days.
Yeah, it's a great way to get out some sitting at home for 3 months on.
Yeah, Kim's doing better, by the way, for those of you that have been wondering.
Much
So,
better.
yeah, we're just getting ready to go back to work and healing up pretty good, huh?
Yep.
Yep. Cool. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching us cut down some trees and cleaning up the property a little bit today. I got some updates on the house coming soon, so we will be updating you on what's going on there. But thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you. We'll see you next time.
Bye.